Yes, am I audible, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I hope everyone has joined and everybody has. The effective length of the column is 6 meters. One side is restricted to 450 mm. One side is restricted to 450 mm. Show the details of reinforcement including lateral ties.
Sir, can you repeat?
Yes. Show the details of the reinforcement including lateral ties. Use M20 and Fe415. So I'll just repeat the question once again. Pay attention, all of you. Design a rectangular column carrying a load of 2000 kilonewton. The effective length of the column is 6 meters. One side is restricted to 450 mm. Show the details of reinforcement including lateral ties. Use M20 and Fe415. I hope the question is clear to everyone. So now quickly write down what is given and start with the solution. Okay, so the first step remains the same. We will assume a suitable percentage of reinforcement and then we will find out the dimensions of the column. So now let us start. I think this is the third question we are doing. So given is, so just tell me what is given. सबसे पहले what is load is 2000 kilonewton, correct? And then it is given that it is also a rectangular column. Okay, so rectangular column, and the effective length of the column is 6 meters, and one side is restricted to 450 mm. So इसका मतलब क्या है? We have been already given the value of one side. Okay, so one side is 450 mm and use M20 and Fe415. Okay, so which implies that sigma cc is how much? What is sigma cc for M20? 5. And sigma sc for Fe415 is 190. Okay, so anything else given in the question? I think that's it. So what we have to find, so now we have to find out the other side dimension, we have to find out, and steel. Okay, so basically the dimension and steel we have to find out. So let us start with the design. So the first step is again will design of section. Okay, so let us assume 1%. So assuming 1% steel of the gross area. So which implies PT is 0.01%. So therefore AS is 0.01 Ag and AC is Ag minus ASC. Which is nothing but 0.99 Ag. So now load carrying capacity of short column is given by P is equal to sigma cc into AC plus sigma SC into AC.
लॉन्ग कॉलम है कि शॉर्ट कॉलम है कैसे पता चला? गिवन नहीं है ना?
Yes, it is not given. ठीक है, so we are assuming it as a short column. ठीक है, we are assuming it as a short column and then we are finding out the dimension. ठीक है, अभी तक पता नहीं है कि ये लॉन्ग है या शॉर्ट है. ठीक है, बिकॉज वी डोंट नो द डायमेंशन, एक ही साइड पता है. So what we will do, we will assume it as a short column and we'll find out the other dimension. ठीक है, once we get the other dimension उसके बाद चेक करेंगे कि वो लॉन्ग है या शॉर्ट.
और सर जो वन साइड दी है ना उसका 450 mm उस हिसाब से करे तो 13.33 आ रहा है, मतलब लॉन्ग कॉलम हुआ ना.
करेक्ट करेक्ट.
दूसरा नहीं पता ना.
दूसरा साइड नहीं पता ना. ठीक है, सो लेट अस फर्स्ट एज्यूम करके दोनों डायमेंशन निकाल लेते हैं, उसके बाद चेक करते हैं. ठीक है, तो अभी इससे कितना आ रहा है? गिव मी द वैल्यू ऑफ AG. सो P इज नथिंग बट 2000 सिग्मा CC है 5, AC is 0.99. ठीक है, so in the previous problem we have done for a square column, so now we are doing for the rectangular column. So this is 291970. Okay, so which implies AG is 2919. Okay, so now we got the value of AG. So other side, can you find out? So other side is equal to this upon 450, which is already given. Yes, give me the value of this other side. Six
648.8.
Okay, so let us consider. So therefore, provide is equal to 650 mm. So therefore, size of the column will be 450 by 650 mm. ठीक है, तो ये साइज हमने प्रोवाइड कर दिया है. सो नाउ वी कैन नेक्स्ट स्टेप वी कैन चेक फॉर स्लेंडरनेस. ठीक है, अभी चेक करते हैं. चेक फॉर स्लेंडरनेस. So L effective upon least lateral dimension. So L effective is 6 meters. Least lateral dimension is 450. So how much is this? I think someone has already said it is 13.33. So which is greater than 12. So hence it is a long column. Correct? So hence it is a long column. So now when it is a long column, we will have to find out the correction factor. So is reduction factor it is called as. So this is given by I think I have given you this equation. Anyone remember this? Reduction factor CR is given by
1.25 minus L effective upon 48B.
correct. Okay, so this will be 1.25 minus L effective is given and the width of the column is 450. So how much is this? Yes, 0.972. Okay, so now we got the reduction factor. So remember, whenever we are dealing with long columns, first we will have to find out the reduction factor. इसके बाद we will find out the revised load. ठीक है, revised load के लिए we will again design. So we will find out the revised load. Let us say that P dash. So that is given by P upon CR. ठीक है, तो अभी रिवाइज्ड लोड जो फाइंड आउट करेंगे दैट इज गिवन बाय P अपॉन CR. जो एक्चुअल लोड है उसको रिडक्शन फैक्टर से डिवाइड करेंगे. सो वी विल गेट अ न्यू लोड एंड देन फॉर दैट न्यू लोड we will find out the steel. Is this clear, everyone? So now let us find out or recalculate the revised load. So now revised P or P dash is given by P upon correction factor. So this is 2000 upon so how much is this?
2057.613.
Okay, 2037.61 kilonewton. So now you can see that the load is increased. So for a long column, the load is increased and we have to redesign for this. So now we have, since we are redesigning it, can you tell me the value of AG? Okay, so now AG for this P, ठीक है, पुराने इक्वेशन में पुट करो और ये रिवाइज्ड एरिया निकालो अभी. ठीक है, so basically we are redesigning for the load for the revised load. So should I write like this now? P dash is equal to sigma Cc into AC plus sigma Sc into AC. So which will give me the value of Ag. So now tell me. 300381. Okay.
300381.0.
Okay. So now we got the revised area. ठीक है, अभी इससे साइड निकालो. अदर साइड कितना आ रहा है? How much is this? 667. Okay. So now we got the other side. So let us assume. So therefore, assume length equal to, let us take it as 675. Okay, so you can take it 700 also, 675 also, so that it is up to you. So there is no problem in that. So now I've taken 675 mm. So therefore size of the column क्या हो गया अभी? So size of the column is 450 by 675 mm. Okay, so now we will find out the longitudinal reinforcement. So longitudinal reinforcement is given by ASC is equal to, okay, 0.01 AG. So how much is AG? AG is this, the revised one we are talking about. How much is this? So this will be 123,003.81, correct? So this is the steel. Okay, even if you find out by this, you will get the same. P dash is equal to sigma cc into ac plus sigma sc into ac. Okay, so which one will you prefer, this one or this one? Which one is better? Yes, which one is better to find out the steel, the first or the second option?
First.
Okay, so because it will take less time for you, so you can go for this. So now once you got the steel, select a suitable diameter and the number of bars. So let us assume, so let us use 20 dia bars. ठीक है, so therefore number of bars कितना हो जाएगा, total area ठीक है, give me the exact value, then we will approximate 9.56, so we will take it as 10. ठीक है, so therefore provide 10 bars of 20 diameter as longitudinal reinforcement. ठीक है, so अभी therefore ASC provided कितना हो जाएगा बताओ? Yes, quickly. What is ASC provided? 10 bars of 20 diameter.
3141.59.
3141.59. ठीक है, so at the same time give me the value of percentage also. Percentage भी बताओ. ठीक है, so it's just a check, so it should be greater than 0.8 and less than 4%. So it is better that you show this. 0.1 0.1% प्रोवाइड किया है तुमने स्टील. परसेंटेज कितना आ रहा है? 1 point someone is saying 1.05, someone is saying 1.03. Why different answers? ठीक है, what is PT? The steel provided upon the total area into 100. Total area कितना है? Revised section अपना ये है ना, 450 by 675. This you have to take. So PT is 1.03%. So which is greater than 0.8 and less than 4%. So fine. Okay, so we are done with the longitudinal reinforcement. Now find out the transverse reinforcement. Okay, next step is transverse reinforcement. Find out the diameter and the pitch. ठीक है, diameter का दोनों criteria we have seen in the last. So we will assume. So सबसे पहले diameter. So write down the way I have written in the previous problem. So diameter we will provide 8 mm. ठीक है, 8 mm provide lateral ties. And what about pitch? ठीक है, pitch के again there are 3 conditions. What is the first condition? Okay, pitch should be less than or equal to the least lateral dimension. Then it should be less than or equal to by this time you have to remember these.
Less than 16 times diameter of lateral ties.
16 times the diameter of lateral stirrups. No, it is 16 times the diameter of the longitudinal bar, and 48 is times the diameter of the lateral stirrup. ठीक है, अभी इसमें लिस्ट lateral dimension कितना है 450 है, और इसमें 16 इंटू कितना यूज किया है 20, सो 320 mm, और 48 इंटू 8 कितना आएगा 384. ठीक है, सो देयरफॉर provide pitch. So therefore provide pitch, let us provide 250 mm. Okay, so it is better to provide 250 mm. So you can provide the least of these values. So now the last step is only remaining is the reinforcement detailing. So I think you can do that, right? The same way we have done in the first problem. So the only difference is it's a rectangular column, and previously it was a square column. So can you do the reinforcement detailing, or you want me to do this? Yes, quickly reply so that we can move on to the next question.
So we will do.
Okay, fine. So now let us go to the next question. So now we have seen one square column, one rectangular. Now we will design a circular column. Okay. So take down the question. Design a circular column with helix to carry 800 kilonewton axial load. Design a circular column with helix to carry 800 kilonewton axial load. L effective is 4 meters. L effective is 4 meters. Adopt M25 and Fe415. Adopt M25 and Fe415. Adopt WSM. Adopt WSM. Okay, so I hope the question is clear to you. So design a circular column with helix to carry 800 kilonewton axial load. L effective is 4 meters. Use M25 and Fe415. Yes, so quickly start with yes. So now tell me what is given in this. So basically it is a circular column, and the load is how much? It is 800 kilonewton. And apart from this, what is given? Yes, so I think we have only 10 minutes remaining. So we'll just try to finish this problem. So be little bit quick. So the load is given and L effective is given. L effective is 4 meters. Okay, one more thing is what is mentioned. It is a circular column,
With
right?
helix.
With helix. So this helix is important. Okay, this helix means helical reinforcement basically. So whenever, I think we have done this in the theory. So whenever it is mentioned that there is helical reinforcement, in that case you will have to provide a check. Okay, so at the end we will provide a check. So I will give the equation for that. So that is the only difference. So helical, whenever it is mentioned, so you will have to provide that check. And suppose if circular is not mentioned, only if it is mentioned helical reinforcement. So which type of column that would be?
Circular.
Exactly. Okay. So it might happen that they will not mention circular. So from this you will have to understand that obviously it's a circular column. So circular column may only we provide the helix. So this implies that your sigma cc is
6.
6 and sigma sc is 190. So now we have to find, so again basically we have to find out the diameter. So since it is circular, so in this case we will have to find out the diameter and then we will have to find out the steel. So let us start with the design process. The first step is design of the section. So remember this, whenever helical reinforcement is provided, okay, so the load carrying capacity of the column will increase by how much?
1.05.
Yes, so that means it will be increased by 5%. So that means you will multiply it by 1.05. And remember one thing, whenever there is helical reinforcement, so we will assume the percentage of steel a bit on the higher side. So that will be helpful while solving the problem. So let us assume, so in this case, we will assume 1.5% steel. So assuming 1.5% steel of the gross area. So therefore, AC is, so into AG. So this will be how much? 0.015 AG. And AC will be how much? AG minus ASC. So this will be 0.985 AG. Okay. So just remember this. So in case of helical reinforcement circular column, you will assume the percentage a bit on the higher side. So you can take it as 1.5%. So now the load carrying capacity. So again, we will assume it as a short column to find out the dimension first. So load carrying capacity of short column is given by, okay, so again we are assuming here. So P is equal to 1.05. Okay, this is important. Don't forget to make this change. 1.05 into sigma CC into AC plus sigma SC into AC. Okay, with helical reinforcement is given by this. So P is how much? This is 800. Okay, sigma CC is 6. AC is 0.985 kg. And this is 190 into ASC कितना है again? 0.015 AG. So this implies AG. Yes, anyone got the value? Yes, quickly give me the values. We have only
Sir.
4 minutes left.
हेलो
Yes.
सर, ये जो P दिया है वो फैक्टर्ड लोड है क्या अनफैक्टर्ड लोड है?
ये अनफैक्टर्ड है, WSM में कर रहे हैं ना, तो अनफैक्टर्ड से ही करेंगे.
ओके.
Yes, so the value is 86975. So 86975.43. So we got the gross area. So now find out the diameter of the column. So diameter of the column is given by pi by 4 into d square is, so which implies d is equal to how much? $332.77 Rohit is saying. Okay, so now we will approximate it. So let us provide. So therefore provide diameter of column as 350 mm. Okay. So now we got the dimension of the column. So now next we'll find out the longitudinal reinforcement. So before that, I think we will have to check for slenderness. So now we will check for slenderness. Slenderness check karo. So L effective upon least lateral dimension. L effective is 4 meters. Least lateral dimension is 350. So how much is this? .4 exact, 11.42. So which is less than 12. So hence it is a short column. Okay, so hence it is a short column. So no problem. No need to find out the reduction factor. So now let us find out the longitudinal reinforcement.
सर अगर ये लॉन्ग कॉलम हो जाता,
हाँ, तो तुमको रिडक्शन फैक्टर निकालना पड़ता.
सर तो रिडक्शन
वापस-
फैक्टर क्या होता सर? 1.05 सिग्मा सीसी
हाँ.
एसी प्लस सिग्मा एससी एएससी
रिडक्शन फैक्टर
into
CR
correction
CR.
factor.
yes into correction factor. या फिर मैंने जैसा बताया लास्ट सम में वैसा भी कर सकते हो. ठीक है, तो डायरेक्ट
okay,
P
sir,
को इसको लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ले लो CR को, तो डिवाइड हो जाएगा. Yes, next is longitudinal. Okay, so I think we have only less than a minute left. So longitudinal reinforcement, I think someone has already got it. One, there is no need to write the attendance, please. ASC is 0.015 into AG. So this is 1304.63 mm square. So this is the value of steel. Okay. So the next step, you can continue and complete this problem. So after this, find out the transverse reinforcement. So in this case, transverse will be helical reinforcement. तो हेलिकल रीइंफोर्समेंट के जो भी मैंने क्राइटेरिया बताया था उसके हिसाब से विल हैव टू फाइंड आउट द डायमीटर एंड द पिच. ओके, so try to do that